A Portrait, Helen, Schucman. Greetings on this fine day. The goal in A Course in Miracles was to promote inner peace by finding ways, wherever possible, to disempower the world's effects on a practitioner of the daily lessons. We are now referring to this as Christ awareness. This leads to Christ consciousness, which then expands to full Christ manifestation. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We are at the end of the growth of your true selves and the beginning of its expansion into the creation of a new world. I liked Rami's comments this week that talked about Christ being energy that can be perceived by those around you, either in positive or negative ways. We did not equate the true self as energy, and yet it very much is. The 500-piece puzzle has turned into a gigantic 1,500-piece puzzle, and it's a puzzle with very small pieces that are extremely challenging to work with. No wonder it takes so long to put it all together. My note to you today will be a short one. I'm like the elementary school teacher watching her students working in their fields of expertise after graduating from college. I'm glad to have been part of this journey. Now that Christ has arrived, life can use each of you in the mysterious ways it unfolds. Blessings from the sidelines. Love, Helen, your sister in Christ.